Last week we had a fantastic time in Yalapa, exploring this extremely cool remote town. And today we're heading south to one of our absolute favorite anchorages, Tenacatita. We're waiting to meet up with our buddy boat Jackdaw. Meredith has flown home for Christmas, and John is single-handing with us down to Tenacatita. Here in Yalapa, we were moored on a mooring ball privately owned by Fanny's Restaurant. Edgar helped us pull up our stern anchor, and then we were off. Can you see John?
No.
What do you see?
A ponga.
A ponga panga? A panga ponga? What are you eating?
Chocolate.
Just loads of wind. Loads. Not really. But, sometimes in Banderas Bay there isn't a lot. Look at the background. I feel like we're in the South Pacific when we're in this little beautiful cove of Yalapa. It's so green and so lush and so beautiful. Anyway, distracted me. Often in Banderas Bay there is not a lot of wind, but there is going to be nice wind once we round Cabo Corrientes. So looking forward to that. Unfortunately, John is having to cross the entire bay, so he's a ways behind us. We weren't planning to leave until he was much closer, but they needed our mooring ball. So here we are.
We'll try and get the wind over our port side and get the sail up. We sailed out into the middle of the bay with pretty much no wind, caught up to John, and now all of a sudden the wind is here. We're both pointing exactly where we need to go. We're doing 5 knots. He's just behind us. He will no doubt catch us. And this is good. Finally we're moving in the right direction. Who knew such a simple pleasure would be so nice?
So it's about 120 nautical miles to Tenacatita. There's a little anchorage just on the outside of Tenacatita called the Aquarium. I don't know if it has a more official name than that, but that's what everyone refers to it as. We never stopped there last year, so we're planning to stop there this year. It's called the Aquarium because apparently there's beautiful snorkeling. But I did get a report from a friend that is already down there saying that the water is very green in Tenacatita and there's almost zero visibility.
Oh, nice.
So I don't know if the aquarium will be the same. If it is, we'll just go around the corner into Tenacatita. Yeah, that's the plan. So 120 nautical miles, should be 24 hours if the wind is good. So we should get there before dark tomorrow night. Should.
It's meant to be very steady and nice through the night and then picks up tomorrow. We should have a really nice ride down the coast.
The cape that we're rounding is Cabo Corrientes. We've rounded this cape twice already, so this will be the 3rd time. It's not been a problem, but we've picked good weather windows. We even sailed around it going upwind back into Banderas Bay last spring and winter. And yeah, it was fine. Totally fine. It's a beautiful one!
It really is. It was a long night. There's a lot of wind shifts, a lot of sail adjustments, finicky winds coming around that point. It just kept shifting. And right now, I want it to be a lot further south because it's meant to be blowing pretty good right now. And the wind is coming at our face. It just makes no sense at all. Yes, it makes sense. It's the weather. And people predict it, and it's impossible to predict.
Those dolphins came up to our bow, looked at it, and then left. Are we going too slow for them?
No, they were around before. Maybe those guys were just picky. We had a good 10 up there earlier, playing around. And I could see them like really deep down, these white shadows going whoosh around.
Here comes another one with a baby. Bentley,
Yeah?
you're in your pajamas, you're doing schoolwork, and you're watching dolphins.
It's the best.
That's a pretty great classroom, isn't it?
And then when I'm done, I'm gonna watch Star Wars.
You're gonna watch Star Wars. Cool. There are dolphins all around us. There's one. Hi. Hello. What do you see, Bentley?
Turtles!
2 turtles.
Why is that fishing following us? There's fishing.
Oh, can't see them. I have the wrong lens. Oh, there's one there and one over there. Is there 3 turtles? No, that's a dolphin. And dolphins! This is so cool. Those turtles swam right past our boat.
Why is there fishies there?
Oh, there's fish following us. That's funny. Hi, guys. Hi. Hello. Good morning. Hello. They're just like chilling with us. Hey, I'm ready.
Okay, I'm gonna hoist. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. The spinnaker is gone. This has been a very finicky passage so far, but it finally feels like the wind is filling in as forecast. We see some white caps on the water, which is a good sign when it has been flat calm with very, very light variable winds. The wind kind of switched around, so we had to drop the spinnaker. We are wing on wing now. Mick is getting our 3rd little sail that we like to run when we're wing on wing. This is a new sail. We call it our Calla Lily sail because friends of ours on a boat called Calla Lily were going to throw it away in Puerto Penasco. And so we asked if we could have it, which I think is hilarious, but it actually works really great for what we use it for. It has a pretty heavy duty luff on it, so we just clip on the tack and hook it to a spinnaker halyard and we free fly it next to our jib. So it just gives us a little bit more sail area, and because it's not a hank-on sail, it doesn't have to be hanked on. Anyway, it works really good. Definitely made fun of Mick when he was asking if he could have it. Calla Lily was using it as a sunshade the entire time they were working on their boat, and it just got filthy, and I think they thought it was pretty funny that we wanted it too. But you know, we're budget sailors. We'll take what we can get.
Worth a half a knot, I think, which is massive.
Completely worth half a knot or a knot.
I don't know if it's going to get tangled, but here we go. Boom! It's already working!
Yeehaw!
Feel the G's. So much shade now.
So much shade with our Calla Lily setup.
What's brilliant is that the jib scoops the airing and spills it onto it.
Let's see the other item that you found in the garbage.
Oh, hang on. One thing at a time.
Oh! The biggest squid of all time. I think we're gonna catch like a whale.
Big Bertha. Put it in the water and what do you get? A big whale.
A little better, hey? Moving now. That's downwind following seas though. Does it feel good to be out of the Sea of Cortez, Bentley?
Yeah.
No more choppy seas. It just, I don't know, there's just something, a different motion to the ocean.
Yeah, just
Down
slower,
here.
like slower, more gentle,
Yep.
and yeah, it's just way better.
It feels good to be back in the Pacific, having a good sail.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Tenacatita!
Tenacatita, here we go! Your favorite spot.
Pretty excited to go see the aquarium.
You excited to see the aquarium?
I'm not sure what it'll be
I'm
like.
excited too. I hope that the visibility is good.
Yeah.
We made it to the Aquarium, which is also known as Punta what?
Punta Party Town.
Punta. It is a lot. We didn't realize there was a
No.
town here, which is hilarious because we were here last year and sailed past and never noticed.
Didn't notice any of this.
Super
Beach is
weird.
Chockers with brollies and party goers.
Yeah. Punta Hermosa. I don't know how it got the nickname the Aquarium. That's how we've always known it. Well, I do know how. It's because the snorkeling is really good. It's way busier than we thought. It's warm and beautiful and the water is warm and we're excited to be here. We got here at the wee hours of the morning and now it's midday. We kind of slept the morning away and we're gonna go for a swim. You ready, buddy?
Oh, it feels so good. Well, something just hit me.
Mate.
Some pan pizza. Let's eat. Someone did a very bad job cutting this, and that someone was me. Whoa. Is it good?
Mm-hmm. It's pizza, of course it's good. Don't talk with your mouth full.
Where are we going?
Tenacatita!
Tenacatita! Is this your favorite place in Mexico?
In our whole trip.
In your whole trip? That's pretty awesome. You gonna surf today?
Yep.
Yeah,
With
buddy.
our friends and our friends and our friends. So
Your
there's a lot of friends here.
Yeah, good stuff. I'm very excited for you guys. We are leaving Punta Hermosa. It's kind of funny. We came here and, you know, this is nicknamed the Aquarium, so it's supposed to be really good snorkeling. And we didn't snorkel. We just couldn't really be bothered, which is really terrible to say. But it's the truth.
There's a wind from the south coming in and it's rippling the water. We don't want to snorkel in
Yeah.
that. It'll go...
And the visibility is not looking amazing.
I'm going to let Steve
Oh yeah, we gotta let Steve out. And we are gonna be in this area for a bit, so maybe we'll come back when the viz gets a little better. We're very excited to go to Tenacatita, and we're thankful for this
John Pal?
sweet little spot that only had 1 or 2 other boats here, so it was very chill. Now you'll see we'll go around to Tenacatita. Last year we were anchored there with 60 boats, so it was kind of nice to have the chill time before we pull into Cruiser Crazy Town. It's like crazy in such a good way. It's so much fun. Bye guys. Have fun. As promised, we are finishing up our teak at anchor. We're here in Tenacatita. It is going well so far. We decided to thin out the first coat. We probably should have for the tow rail. It had a hard time kind of soaking in. So we've learned from that, and we're thinning it out this time. I'm glad we're doing it this way. And bonus of doing boat work at anchor, you can jump in the water when it gets too hot. It's a lot nicer than working on the hard, I have to say. Happy Christmas Eve, Bentley.
Thank you.
Today is a surf day. We're going to the beach, aren't we? Actually, Thomas and Dad have already left because they were so anxious to get going. And I am prepping some lunch. We're going to set up at the beach. We're going to set up at the beach and just hang there all day. Eat pizza, surf, drink beers. You want some beers, Bentley?
No.
It's going to be a good day. Hey, hey. puffer fish. We didn't bring John's present. I thought we'd see him tomorrow.
I'm saving this till tomorrow.
You're still gonna see him tomorrow? Okay.
Should I have waited till tomorrow?
No, today is
This
great.
is brilliant.
We'll just
You don't want to open them now with John here?
It's up to you guys.
Okay. You want to put them under the tree?
So the 2 silver are for Bentley and Tommy, and the bag is for you guys.
What, John? That's very thoughtful.
See if you recognize the wrapping paper.
That's very. I wouldn't have guessed. I thought it was What?
$200.
Pesos. Woo! He goes-
Yeah,
he was stressed out.
I was having a heart attack.
Wow. Thank you, John.
Ooh.
Oh, yes!
So
That is
perfect.
awesome.
Oh yeah.
That is so great. Thank
awesome.
you, John. Happy Christmas Eve.
Christmas
Real jazzy. Santa Claus cookies happening? Yeehaw! And Tommy, what movie have you teed up?
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus!
Mommy got me pancake.
Oh, and what did you get, Tommy?
Lego.
Wow, what do you say to each other?
Thanks.
Coffee! What are you getting ready for, Bentley? Surfing!
Swimmer in Penasco. Bunch of dust went on all the wax.
I know, it was so dusty in Penasco.
Get in the front where there's this.
A lot of the dirt came off yesterday with your little surf,
Yeah.
actually, but
I would like rub it with my hand
Oh,
while
yeah.
I'm surfing. I'm like,
ooh. It'll be good to have some more wax. And you're being careful not to get that on the deck?
oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. Christmas Day was true perfection. The swell picked up for a perfect post-breakfast surf, which lasted well into the afternoon. The day was wrapped up with a beach bonfire, and our hearts were full.